looking forward to going off grid with our square drop, so we've ordered a Bluetti. And we thought you might like to see how it comes. So this is an EB70. It's supposed to be an EB70S, I believe. Let's see. This says EB70. A vast assortment of cables, 12 volt, cable management, and the big reveal. Our red Bluetti. Since we're going to be off grid, we need solar panels. And on the other side, we have various pouches and cable. And the solar panels.